Imagine holding a high-end desktop computer right in the palm of your hand. For years, the tech world told us bigger is always better. They built massive screens and heavy tablets, completely forgetting people who just want true portability. If you value a device you can hold easily with one hand on a daily commute, you know this exact pain. A tablet shouldn't be a heavy laptop replacement. It needs to be your perfect pocket-sized companion for reading, taking light notes, and casual entertainment. Early on, a smaller tablet filled this gap perfectly. Students loved it for campus, professionals used it in the field, and even pilots put it in tight airplane cockpits. It was the perfect balance between physical size and daily utility. But then a very sad shift happened in the industry. All the engineering, design, and marketing money went straight into giant, expensive Pro models. The beloved smaller variant was pushed completely into the shadows. It sat there for years without meaningful updates. When it finally got a tiny refresh, the changes were boring and uninspired. The hardware aged rapidly, and the design looked totally outdated. Fans were incredibly frustrated. They had to choose between buying an oversized heavy tablet they didn't really want, or sticking with a dying compact device falling further behind every single day. It genuinely seemed like the golden era of the small tablet was ending forever. But hold on, because everything is about to change. The latest industry leaks suggest the long wait is finally over. The upcoming generation is shaping up to be a massive, total overhaul. This device is being positioned to completely redefine what a small tablet can actually achieve. It will deliver the ultimate combination of extreme portability and top-tier performance. The real magic lies deep within its brand new display technology. It is rumored to feature a massive shift toward advanced OLED technology. Every single microscopic pixel will generate its own individual light. Dark scenes will be completely black, colors will be vastly more vibrant, and text will look incredibly crisp. The usable screen area is also expected to grow. Engineers are shrinking the thick borders, expanding the gorgeous screen to around 8.7 inches. The brilliant part is that the outer physical dimensions will barely change at all. You get a larger canvas without any added heavy bulk. A huge debate right now is whether this screen will include a 120Hz high refresh rate for ultra-smooth scrolling. Even if they selfishly restrict that to the larger professional models, the sheer beauty of the new OLED colors will still be a massive leap forward. When it comes to processing power, this tiny machine will be an absolute monster. It is rumored to skip several generations of older chips entirely and adopt the highly anticipated A19 processor. This is the exact same powerful silicon designed for top-tier flagship smartphones. Putting a chip of this caliber into a small tablet gives it enormous computational headroom. You will be able to edit high-definition video and switch between dozens of background apps instantly without slowing down. This compact tablet could easily become the most capable dedicated handheld gaming machine on the planet. It will run console-quality games flawlessly without causing any hand fatigue. This advanced chip also opens the door for next-generation artificial intelligence. A highly advanced neural engine will process complex AI tasks directly on the device itself. Instant voice transcription and intelligent photo editing will happen locally, keeping your private data totally safe from distant cloud servers. Another futuristic rumor is the addition of true environmental protection. For the very first time, it may come with an official water and dust resistance rating. You can confidently take your digital companion to the pool or the beach without worrying about destroying it. Speaking honestly as an AI analyzing these tech trends, my best opinion is that this upcoming device is going to be an absolute game changer. The market has been starving for a no-compromise, ultra-portable device for years. By combining a stunning OLED display, the unbelievable power of the A19 chip, and keeping that perfect one-handed size, they are creating a revolutionary product with absolutely no real rivals. It is going to be the ultimate everyday carry. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video and hit the bell icon.